Good morning. What's going on, guys? Sorry, there was an awkward switch there. So, Monday morning, I got a story to tell you guys. I got a story to tell you. The most frustrating story of all. I know it's the most frustrating story of all, but it's really just a frustrating, insanely frustrating story. And it makes me very, very unhappy this morning. Very unhappy. Very unhappy. So NXTD, I'm going to, what does this thing do? Get out of there, this white thing. Get out of there. Get out of there. I've been trying to buy NXTD all morning. You can see these orders. Look at this. Try to buy NXTD there all morning long. There at the $3 break. I was trying to buy a $3 break. Trying to buy a $3 break. It broke over $3. It ran up there to almost $4. Look at this. Just order rejection after order rejection. Order rejection. Just nothing but order rejections this morning. Pretty much costing me $500, $600, $700 profit. Maybe $1,000 profit. I mean, that's got to be the most frustrating way to start the day out here. I'm like, to know that I was right there. I was sitting there trying to buy this stock as it went to the moon. It's painful. It's painful to say the least. And now to see it, to work out like that, to go up. It just doesn't even, I don't even want to talk about it. But NXTD, I was looking for this break over $3. You can see it started ramping up, ramping, broke over $3, and then just kept on moving all the way up there to $4. Wild move here. This thing is a previous runner. It's made some big moves before. It got over that $3 previous resistance there on the daily chart. And yeah, it's totally a joke. Totally a joke at this point. Not how I want to start the month. Not how I wanted to start Monday out. I want to start Monday out on a green note or on a happy note. But yeah, I can't do anything. So you can see here, even trying to buy 500 shares, it just pops up there and then cancels on me. So whose fault is it? It's my fault. Obviously, it's my fault. No one's fault but myself here to talk about what I did. Why I keep using SureTrader. Bad. I can't buy any stock this morning. I can't buy anything. There's no stock that I can buy this morning. It's retarded. Change brokers. I gotta change my broker. I gotta stop buying cryptocurrencies. What I gotta stop doing. Been loading up on cryptocurrencies. NXTD this morning up there to $4. Beautiful move here, breaking over that $3 resistance up there to $4. Whew, that was beautiful. Beautiful to say the least. After what else are we looking at here? See what else is moving around this morning. I think NXTD has some good potential here to go crazy at open. Really, it's like the only thing with volume this morning. A couple other stocks moving around, but nothing looking too hot other than NXTD right now. I think NXTD might be the play of the day. Play of the day, NXTD. Let me see if I can log back in here. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. Try to log back in here. Ooh. So I got a copyright, music copyright, because last Friday I was wearing my headphones, and I guess the microphone picked up on what my headphones was hearing, and it was such a low sound. I mean, I don't know how it even did it, but it's pretty funny. So now I gotta stop wearing headphones, I think, during the live stream at least. Really bad. Not that it's a big deal, but just frustrating. Let's see if we can buy some NXTD here. Nope, still can't buy. Still can't buy NXTD. Oh, baby Jesus. Why do you do this to me? When will the Digibyte one-click miner be live? We're working on it right now. working on getting it all set up. It's basically me working on it with another guy, a developer. I'm not a developer, but I got a developer who's working on it. He's already made some other one-click miners, so he's working on it, and been working on that, trying to make it really nice looking. So NXTD up there to the $4 area. Let's see what else is moving around here. Anybody else got any ideas? What else is moving? Let me look here. What else is hot? Bitcoin's moving this morning. Bitcoin up there above 10,240. Beautiful move this morning. Bouncing off that $9,400 area. I've actually, yesterday, started buying some cryptocurrencies, some altcoins, building a little portfolio. And it's working out right now. I'm already in the green. Happy with that. But obviously, we know how cryptocurrencies is. We know how that goes. So we got X Steel up there to the $46 area. Ooh, X Steel. So I can put orders through on X, but I can't put orders through on NXTD, looks like. Isn't that just convenient? Isn't it? It's just very convenient. Nope, no orders through on NXTD, but I can buy other things. Amazing. Wait. Nope, can't even buy 200, 100 shares of NXTD. That's funny. That's real funny. I'm also looking at this stock, TAL. TAL this morning. It gapped down there to the $35 area. Might be looking to go short on TAL if it can pull back through that $35 area. You can see $35 area, previous support there at the 35. This morning getting down there to that $35 area, but then bouncing. So we'll see. Well, let's look at X here. Yeah, looks like Friday X gapping up there from the $43 area up there to $46, getting stuck there, looking like we're got that support, that resistance there. Let's call that $46 resistance there. Only 82,000 shares traded so far, so nothing looking too crazy right now. NXTD holding this 350 area, 360. You can see the support there, 350 area there on NXTD. It's up 67% this morning. Got 1.6 million shares traded. This thing is a previous runner. Last December, I remember trading this thing. It went from $2 up there to $3.80, and then I think like the third day it went from $4 to almost $9. So wild stock here, NXTD. I can't buy any. Classic. So classic. Oh, I'm tired. I'm going to Mexico this week. That's good news, right? Going to Mexico on Thursday for 4 days down to Cancun. It's my buddy's wedding, so I'll be down there in Cancun for a couple of days. Won't be trading on Thursday or Friday. I'm going to say screw it. I'm just going to go and enjoy Mexico. Not going to try to trade. Oh. NXTD X. What else? Let's look at what else is going on here. Not sure why I can't buy NXTD. Not sure. It doesn't make any sense. I can buy other stocks, but I can't buy NXTD. How does that work? We got Dean Foods gapping down this morning, down 15%. There are shares to short here, but not sure I want to be shorting once it's already down 15% this morning. But looking here on the chart where this thing's going, it's down below any of that previous resistance or previous support, I should say. That $9 area in 2017, we got to go way, 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 way back here, back to 2011. Go all the way back here to 2011. We might find some support there at the $8 area. So Dean Foods down big this morning. There are shares to short. This is going to be a short sale restriction once the market opens there. I might be looking for opportunity if this thing gets back up to the $9 area and gets denied there. Might be an opportunity to go short there. We'll see what happens there at open. DF, Dean Foods. I was looking at this one earlier. I didn't pull the trigger. Should have pulled the trigger there at the break of $9. ABIO is going, he said. Going down. ABIO is going down. It's down 53% this morning. Gapping down there from $1.60 down there to 50 cents. Coming back up. It's up 25 cents off the bottom there. Off that 50-cent area. This is a 5-cent ticker. A 5-cent ticker that's under $1. Ooh, that's got to be a crazy one. I don't think I've ever seen a 5-cent penny stock. A 5-cent ticker penny stock. I think that's a first for me. Buying and selling this thing is going to be interesting. ABIO, like I said, down 50% this morning. Down there, bouncing off the 50-cent area, finding some support there. It's up 25 cents off there. It's a 5-cent ticker, so like it's gonna just get going crazy here. You know, normally these penny stocks are like 0.000 sometimes trading, you know, and then they're moving a cent at a time. But this thing's moving 5 cents per move. So, ooh, it might get crazy depending on the volume. NXTD bouncing off his 350 here. Let's see if it'll hold that 350 here on NXTD. Still can't buy. Oh, man. What's the blue mean? The blue is the 20 moving average. The yellow line is the 9 moving average, and the white line is the VWAP. Or you mean the blue bars, the bottom? Oh yeah, the blue bars. Basically just identifying that candle, the stock opened and closed at the same price. That's what we call the doji. Doji. Margin account, always. Margin account. Come on now. So NXTD bouncing off that 9. Bouncing off the VWAP there. Got the VWAP there at 339. We'll see if that 340 area is going to act as support there on NXTD. Crazy move this morning over that $3 area or right up there to $4. No shares to short there on NXTD this morning. Dun, dun, dun. We got United States Steel up 4% today, up this morning. Well, I guess it would be because of Friday. United States Steel up there to the $46 area, pulling back down there to the $45 area. We'll see if this $45 area can find some support there. You know, it's not really a stock that I normally trade, not a crazy moving stock, but there might be some opportunity here to go short below this $45 area if it breaks, or maybe if it can't break above $46, might be an opportunity to go short at that point. We'll see what happens there with United States Steel. Keeping an eye here on DF, Dean Foods, for possible opportunity if this thing wants to start breaking down, wants to keep going lower. Live stream offline. What? Now we're back. Is it back online? Oh, my baby Jesus. It's on. It's off. We're back. Okay. So Dean Foods. I'm thinking there might be some opportunity here. Might be some opportunity there. NXTD right there, that 340 area. So X. So United States Steel up there to previous, looks like, is this all-time high? Let's see. No. So previously X, United States Steel had a high, it looks like back there, pretty much right where we're lined up right now. Back in 2014, United States Steel up there to that $47, $46 area. We'll see if this is going to break out over that. Other day, SGMO kind of had a similar move where it broke out over that kind of previous all-time high and then went wild there on that. So there might be opportunity to go long if this wants to break above that $46 area and show some strength there above $46. So keep an eye there on X above 46, possibly a short below 45. I'm going to be watching it both ways like always. NXTD down there that 342 area. This thing made a massive move this morning, and now it needs to, looks like it's pulling back a little bit just to slow down here. So we'll see if this thing can get going crazy. So a couple stocks that I'm watching today. NXTD, not sure I'll actually be able to trade it. I'm going to be keeping an eye on United States Steel. I'm keeping an eye there on Dean's Food, DF. Possibly if it gets up to that $9 area and gets stuck there, might be an opportunity at that point to go short. So that $9 area, key area, I'm going to be watching there on DF, and we'll see what happens. I'll talk to you guys later on. I'm going to go get a coffee, get ready for the market open, get in, do some meditation, meditate on the idea of making money today. All you got to do is just find some opportunity, make some money, call it a day. That's the plan, right? That's always the plan, but that's the bigger plan today. Talk to you guys